Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. Today in this video, I'll tell you about the Cardano is ready to explode. You are watching Mr. Top 10 and now let's get in this video. With more than 7,000 cryptocurrencies available in the market, the blockchain world is flourishing and will continue to grow over the next few decades. According to crypto enthusiasts, 2021 is the best year to invest in crypto assets and one of the best cryptos to focus on is Cardano. Here are some reasons why Cardano is going to explode in 2021, 2009 for Bitcoin, and 2015 for Ethereum. But how many of us knew that the year 2015 marked another master cryptocurrency's advent? Not many, until it became the third most popular crypto money, smashing 74,000% up last year. That's the Cardano network. Now considered as one of the most scalable systems in the World Economic Forum, Cardano has managed to grab a considerable crypto space. But how did this happen? The most awing transition. The project aspired for a different dimension in blockchain technology and victorious in the same. This network evolved to be the first peer-reviewed and amazingly scalable. What is Cardano, ADA? The network is also the world's first ever peer-reviewed decentralized blockchain solution, and ADA is the native cryptocurrency that powers that protocol. It was created by ex-Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson and launched in 2017 of September. The altcoin has a supply limit of 45 billion tokens, and reports even say that 95% of ADA are held by Japanese people. Looking at 2021, is Cardano's price set for a massive year? Since 2017, Cardano has seen continuous growth and is among the top cryptos for investors in 2021. After a sustained price rally, it has successfully leapfrogged Ripple and is now the fourth largest cryptocurrency in the world by market cap. Cardano is an open-source decentralized blockchain project designed to facilitate peer-to-peer transactions. It is a platform that is both adaptive and scalable, along with ensuring high security. Several reasons back up the prediction that Cardano is going to explode in 2021. Here are a few among them. Number 1, its unstoppable growth. Cardano is a third-generation cryptocurrency and has seen significant growth since its inception. It was able to integrate the hallmark features of the first-generation crypto, Bitcoin, and the second-generation Ethereum. By leveraging novel technologies and with integrated research features, Cardano has indeed introduced innovative to the crypto market. Cardano has been a strong player in the crypto space, and 2021 will indeed be another strong year for this cryptocurrency with its smart and intelligent features. Today, Cardano is one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies according to its market capitalization. Number 2, significant features that sets Cardano apart. The key factor that makes Cardano the best among others is its Ouroboros blockchain. It is a consensus mechanism that is unique to Cardano. Precisely, it is two blockchains that work in tandem with each other. The Ouroboros system is a proof-of-stake mechanism that guarantees complete security. To ensure a level of sustainability and security of the blockchain, the system depends on peer-reviewed research and randomly selects miners to accept transaction. To ensure a level of sustainability and security of the blockchain, the system depends on peer-reviewed research and randomly selects miners to accept transactions. Cardano has already taken a step ahead of Ethereum by establishing the move that Ethereum has been planning for a long time, which is using the proof-of-stake algorithm. Apart from this, Cardano uses time slots, known as epoch. Here, transaction blocks have to be created within a time frame by the slot leaders whose stakeholders vote. Epochs are a unique part of the Ouroboros census algorithm and are beneficial in improving the wallet's performance. Number 3. Cardano's architecture. Cardano has a unique layered blockchain architecture that has two main elements. One is Cardano's settlement layer, which is used to carry out cryptocurrency transactions. The second one is a Cardano computational layer, which allows developers to enter and maintain applications. Most other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or Ripple function with a single layer mechanism that transfers funds with and validates transactions. This is one of the features of Cardano that is appreciated by investors and the major reason why Cardano is going to explode in 2021. This two-layered network reduces network congestion, slower transactions, and higher fees, which is often caused by a single-layer architecture. The CSL powers the peer-to-peer transactions seamlessly and ensures the safe transfer of tokens between users. At the same time, CCL is the lifeblood that ensures the chain's security. It acts as a ground zero to deploy smart contracts and as a framework designed to ensure regulatory compliance with jurisdictions. Number 4. Cardano's smart contracts. Cardano's layered architecture facilitates smart contracts that ensure its scalability, adaptability, and security. It is designed to use its smart contracts to their full potential, enabling the platform to establish self-executing agreements that do not require professional oversight. The deployment of smart contracts enables the support of decentralized applications. This powers Cardano's philosophy to make services once offered exclusively in the traditional financial space and make them more accessible through innovative blockchain solutions. Would you consider investing in Cardano ADA? Cardano's Merry Hard Fork. The Merry Hard Fork of Cardano is one of the significant upgrades that kickstarted Shelly's transition to Gauguin. It unlocks a different world of opportunities both for the Cardano community and the businesses using blockchain technology. The Merry Hard Fork will now bring the native asset support to Cardano, which will further unlock the network's decentralized finance. It will also transform Cardano into a truly multi-asset network that enables users to issue and distribute their tokens on the Cardano blockchain. Number 1. Cardano's Gauguin upgrade. One of the best reasons why Cardano is going to explode in 2021 is its Gauguin upgrade, which will be the most important release for the Cardano blockchain network. With the integration of smart contracts, the Gauguin era will usher in bigger technical capabilities for developers to create dApps. Cardano will go through 2 forks to reach the Gauguin upgrade. The Shelly era decentralized the core of the system. Gauguin will eventually introduce more functionalities to the chain, including the implementation of a multi-asset blockchain plan. The Gauguin era, which is the 3rd era, will open up for more tangible opportunities for developers and enterprises. This enables financial and business experts to create smart contracts without any previous technical knowledge. Therefore, the Gauguin upgrade will unlock new developments of enterprise-level, critical, and decentralized smart contract applications and will be marked as a significant step in upgrading the abilities of Cardano. Why Cardano is going to explode this year? The bottom line. Cardano is moving forward and reaching greater heights. The transition to the Gauguin era will allow developers to create a whole new ecosystem based on scientific principles and scalability. Cardano's ADA surged by 92% last week, hitting a market cap of $21 billion, and this is also a reason why Cardano is going to explode in 2021. According to crypto enthusiasts, ADA is thus poised to see growing heights thanks to its latest and upcoming updates. Cardano will make its space in the favorite list of investors for 2021. Cardano price prediction 2022. If this year closes on reaching the predicted high, Cardano might resume the trade in 2022. Bullish. So the 2022 yearly trade may begin with bullish values between $3,244 and $3,342. Or to be more accurate, that's $3 of 3.244 and $3 of 0.342. However, if this year ends with the price falling into bearish trap hitting the lows, Cardano will start trading bearishly, initiating the year 2022. That is, early 2022 will see an ADA price between $2.298 to $2.521. If more celebrities debate about the environmental aftermaths of crypto monsters like Bitcoin, Cardano's price will eventually surge and even smash new ATH at $5.17. As ADA will act as a better alternative and many people will begin investing in this token. On the flip side, if more problems arise with the usability of the network's proof-of-stake method, many investors may withdraw from the ADA community and the price might dip substantially to 3.99 levels. 5 years ADA price prediction. In 5 years from now, if Cardano implements its open voting system, the network might lose a sector of its traders, risking the price to plunge near $7.86. However, considering that ADA has improved bug prevention systems and if it might work efficiently with the same system, down the years the price may sail in average figures near $9.73. The other way around, if ADA successfully flags some projects and collaboration that can further work to improve its two-layer security, the price might rise. Also, new updates in the smart contracts might begin to start working efficiently, and so the ADA price might strike a maximum of 12.37 by the end of the next 5 years. This is all for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like, and if you are new, then do not forget to subscribe. Leave a comment to let us know what you think about the video. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.